भगवान श्री आदिशंकराचार्य विरचित श्री शिवापराध क्षमापन स्तोत्रम्। आदौ कर्म प्रसंगात् कलयति कलुषं मातृकुक्षौ स्थितं मां विण्मुत्रा मेद्य मध्ये क्वथयति नितरां जाठरो जातवेदाः। यद्यद्वै तत्र दुःखं व्यथयति नितरां शक्यते केन वक्तुं क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। बाल्ये दुःखातिरेको मललुलितवपुस्तन्यपाने पिपासा नो शक्तश्चेन्द्रियेभ्यो भवगुणजनिता जन्तवो मां तुदन्ति। नानारोगादिदुःखात् हृदनपरवशः शङ्करं न स्मरामि क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। प्रौढोऽहं यौवनस्थो विषयविषधरैः पञ्चभिर्मर्मसन्धौ दष्टो नष्टो विवेकः सुतधनयुवति स्वादसौख्ये निषण्णः। शैवी चिन्ताविहीनं मम हृदयमहो मानगर्वाधिरूढं क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। वार्धक्ये चेन्द्रियाणां विगतगतिमतिश्चाधिदैवादितापैः पापैर्रोगैर्वियोगैस्त्वनवसितवपुः च दीनं मिथ्यामोहाभिलाषैर्भ्रमति मम मनो धूर्जटेर्ध्यानशून्यं क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। नो शक्यं स्मार्तकर्म प्रतिपदगहनप्रत्यवायाकुलाख्यं श्रौते वार्ता कथं मे द्विजकुलविहिते ब्रह्ममार्गे सुसारे। नास्था धर्मे विचारः श्रवणमननयोः किं निदिध्यासितव्यं क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। स्नात्वा प्रत्यूषकाले स्वपनविधिविधौ नाघृतं गाङ्गतोऽयं पूजार्थं वा कदाचित् बहुतरगहनात् खण्डबिल्वीदलानि नानीता पद्ममाला सरसि विकसिता गन्धपुष्पे त्वदर्थं क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। दुग्धैर्मध्वाज्ययुक्तैर्दधिसितसहितैः स्नापितं नैव लिङ्गं नो लिप्तं चन्दनाद्यैः कनकविरचितैः पूजितं न प्रसूनैः। धूपैः कर्पूरदीपैर्विविधरसयुतैर्नैव भक्षोपहारैः क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। ध्यात्वा चित्ते शिवाख्यं प्रचुरतर्धनं नैव दत्तं द्विजेभ्यो हव्यं ते लक्षसङ्ख्यैर्हूतवः वदने नार्पितं बीजमन्त्रैः। नो तप्तं गाङ्गतीरे व्रतजपनियमैरुद्रजाप्यैर्न वेदैः क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। स्थित्वा स्थाने सरोजे प्रणवमयमरुत्कुण्डले सूक्ष्ममार्गे शान्ते स्वान्ते प्रलीने प्रकटितविभवे ज्योतिरूपे पराख्ये लिङ्गज्ञे ब्रह्मवाक्ये सकलतनुगतं शङ्करं न स्मरामि क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। नग्नो निस्सङ्गशुद्धस्त्रिगुणविरहितो ध्वस्तमोहान्धकारो नासाग्रे न्यस्तदृष्टिर्विदितभवगुणो नैव दृष्टः कदाचित्। उन्मन्यावस्थया त्वां विगतकलिवलं शङ्करं न स्मरामि। क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। चन्द्रोद्भासितशेखरे स्मरहरे गङ्गाधरे शङ्करे सर्पैर्भूषितकण्ठकर्णविवरे नेत्रोत्थवैश्वानरे दन्तित्वकृतसुन्दराम्बरधरे त्रैलोक्यसारे हरे मोक्षार्थं कुरु चित्तवृत्तिमखिलाम् अन्यैस्तु किं कर्मभिः। किं वानेन धनेन वाजिकरिभिः प्राप्तेन राज्येन किं वा पुत्रकलत्रमित्रपशुभिर्देहेन गेहेन किं। ज्ञात्वैतत्क्षणभङ्गुरं सपदिरे त्याज्यं मनो दूरतः स्वात्मार्थं गुरुवाक्यतो भज भज श्रीपार्वतीवल्लभम्। आयुर्नश्यति पश्यतां प्रतिदिनं याति क्षयं यौवनं प्रत्यायान्ति गताः पुनर्न दिवसाः कालो जगद्भक्षकः। लक्ष्मीस्तोयतरङ्गभङ्गचपला विद्युच्चलं जीवितं तस्मान्मां शरणागतं शरणद त्वं रक्ष रक्षाधुना। करचरणकृतं वा कायजं कर्मजं वा श्रवणनयनजं वा मानसं वापराधं विहितमविहितं वा सर्वमेतत् क्षमस्व। जय जय करुणाब्धे श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। जय जय करुणाब्धे श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। जय जय करुणाब्धे श्रीमहादेव शम्भो। हरिः ओम्। ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ओम श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। ओम भवानी शंकरौ वंदे श्रद्धा विश्वासरूपिणौ याभ्यां विना न पश्यन्ति सिद्धा स्वान्तस्थमीश्वरम्। हरि ओम। As long as a person lives in ignorance of a spiritual life, he is only concerned only about the worldly affairs, studying, earning, enjoying, indulging, worldly prosperity, positions, and all that. And many times he just ignores all these things, sometimes not aware, but even by chance he comes to know about such a life, spiritual life, doesn't give much value to it. Always either ignores or thinks, oh, there's a lot of time, We'll see after retirement, after doing everything, when there's nothing else to do, then I will see it. Such kinds of thoughts are there. But as a result of some punya karma, God's grace, satsang, when he or she comes to know that the life that is being led now is not that most wonderful, and becomes aware of the presence of the divine, naturally person feels so many wrong things I did. Sometimes because of ignorance, wrong notions, habits, outside pressures, inside pressures. But now the only thing we can say, Kshantavyo me paradhaha. Bhagavan, please forgive me. What all that wrong I did, or something good which I should have done, but I did not do. So that same thought flows. What we are seeing in the 7th shloka here, I did not do, earlier it was said, I did not do any puja to you, did not bring even Gangajal or anything, did not offer any flower, nothing I did. And then when I happened to see how the great devotees worship you, the ceremonial worships and all that, then I say, oh, I never did anything of this. Like what? Dugdhair madhvajya yuktaihi dadisita sahitaihi snapitam naiva lingam no liptam chandanadhyaihi kanaka virachitaihi pujitam na prasunaihi. Then what I find, when I see the puja, how they do, but then I realize, naiva snapitam lingam, the Shiva Linga is so powerful, mighty, bright, brilliant, tejasvi. Devatas also they worship, Rishi Munis worship. But I did not worship. I did not snapitam, did not bathe the Shiva Linga with various dravyas, not only just waters, but dugdha. The dugdhabhishek, milk they pour. Dugdha. Then madhu, honey. Ajya, that is ghee, clarified butter. Ajya yuktaihi, with all this mixed, all this panchamritas. Dadhi sita sahitaihi. Dadhi means the curds, the yogurt. Dadhi sita means the sugar. And with the sharkara abhishek, we have seen that. Jalabhishek, dugdhabhishek, dahi abhishek, and then madhu, and all so many things are that are there. Naivalingam. No liptam chandanadhyaihi. I never, I worshipped you with chandanas, applying that chandana smearing this entire Shivlinga, or kanaka virachitaihi, the swarna pushpas, or even prasunaihi. Bhagwan Shivji doesn't need even a very, very costly, expensive, such kind of flower, dhatura, that which is very most ordinary kind of flower. Bhagwan is happy with that also. But even that also I did not bring. See, when we happen to see all these pujas, they say, but I never knew, I never did this. Then dhupaihi, that incense that are there, I never showed. Dhupam agrapayami, then karpura deepaihi, deepam darshayami, then karpura arti, camphor, then vividha rasayute naiva bhakshopaharaihi. I myself went on eating all delicious food, but I never offered you anything. Actually, we have to offer to the Lord first, and then we have to take that as prasad. But every day nothing. See, we have seen in the beginning when we are told that before you start eating, you must say Brahmarapanam Brahmahave. But in the beginning, what happens is we forget that. Or you put in the word Brahmarpanam, I have not said. See, simple actually, but we can't remember. Dugdhair madhvajya yuktai dadisita sahitai snapitam naivalingam. Now, by the way, here I want to tell you, those people who do not have any such kind of feelings and devotion and all that, if they see that there is Dugdhabhishek and Madhvabhishek and all that, they say, you all are wasting all these things. There are so many poor people, they don't get anything and all that, and you are putting this on the Shivlinga and Murti and all that. Don't you hear such kind of thing? And these people who say so much, they never give one roti to any poor man. They eat all bread, butter very well, nicely with jam and all that. Or they say, you are wasting all these kind of things. These kind of talks, they loosely they speak. But they don't understand. You will see again further also. Number one, if you are so much worried about the wastage of something, how much wastage is going on in the whole thing, do you know that? Particularly when the buffet system is there of eating and all that, if you are traveled by plane and all that, they just take everything and just give it back and everything is dumped just like that. This much is enough, I don't have to say more and more. And when they speak about the poor and all those things, they themselves are, how much they are doing for that, they do not know. It is a big question only. See, here the idea must be understood. It is not that so much plenty that you have to go on pouring. It is just symbolic also are there. No? Only little this, that's not enough. The idea is, we are blessed by the Lord with the plenty of all these things. How are we going to express our gratitude to Him? That Lord, you have given us all these. From here only we are taken giving back to you. Back to means what? Worshipping you. It is a recognition of the fact. All doodh, dahi, ghee, butter and everything, where they have come? So with all these, they are the symbols of all prosperity, the gifts of the nature, the Lord. That's why there is a famous saying in Sanskrit, Tvadiyam vastu Govinda, tubhyameva samarpaye. Bhagavan, whatever I am offering to you, actually all belongs to you only already. But we were all the time thinking, it is my flower from my garden. From where is the garden? Your garden has come. The whole world belongs to the Lord. Everything belongs to the Lord. Actually, we were claiming it is that it's mine, and then I am offering. Bhagavan, now I understand. Actually, everything belongs to you. Whatever I offer, that is very little. Then when we have got the right understanding, attitude, feelings of love, devotion, gratitude, all that, then we see it is such a great joy. And also it is said already, Bhagavan doesn't want all these things. Because some people there are, does God want all that? Why should God want? Whether you do, God is so wonderful. I heard from a great author, he said, I love God because he gives me the freedom to deny his existence also. What wonderful that Lord is. You want to deny my existence? Okay. Bhagwan is nothing to gain, lose. It is only how much we feel and when we do, how our mind is purified. That is the important thing. So therefore, Bhagwan, I did not do all this. Dhupaihi, Karpura Deepaihi. All that I do not know all these elaborate pujas. But simple you can do, Just light a lamp. Do namaskar. Is there any difficulty in that? Katham na aradhyate harihi. How can we say that Bhagavan cannot be worshipped? So therefore, Bhagavan, please forgive me. Kshantavyo me paradhaha. Shiva 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 Bhoho. Sri Mahadeva Shambho. Thoughts we have to think. Now the next two shlokas are such, 8 and 9, we do not find any written note or commentary on these two shlokas by our Puja Gurudev. I do not know the reason and all that, but we will see. Anyway, these shlokas, they are there. Number 8. Dhyatva chitte shivakyam prachuratarthanam naiva dattam dvijebhyo havyam te laksha sankhyaih hutavah vadane narpitam bijamantraih no taptam gangatire vratajapaniamai rudrajapyairna vedaihi क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः श्री महादेव शंभो. Now, just now we saw these pujas of the 16 steps and all that. This is one way of worshipping. The other kind of worship is there through yajnas. Japa, some people take such anushthan. I am going to do so much japa of this Om Namah Shivaya, or I will do so parayana of this Rudra Suktam, or that Agni. I will be offering so many ahutis with the Bija mantras and all that, all which are there in the Vedas. With that I will do. I never did the puja which is much simpler. That also I did not do. So this question I did not do. Dhyatva chitte. I did not meditate on that Lord Shiva, Shivakhyam. See, because before we worship, there is always a dhyana shloka. A shloka which gives the whole picture of Bhagwan, and then we think of that Lord, and then we start the puja or whatever this, whichever kind of ritualistic puja is there, that is dhyanam. Like Bhagwan Vishnu Sivasene, Shantakaram Bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham, or Lord Shiva, Karpura Gauram Karunavataram Samsarasaram Bhujagendraharam Sada Vasantam Hridayara Vinde Bhavam Bhavani Sahitam Namami. There are different dhyan shlokas describing Lord Shiva as form and all that. I never thought of the form of the Lord. I did not meditate on that. Dhyatva chitte Shivakyam. Thinking of meditating on Shiva. I never did any puja or prachura taradhanam naiva dattam dvijebhyaha. I never gave any kind of dhanam, charity. Dvijebhya means brahmanebhya, to the noble people. All kind of rock and roll shows were there. I used to buy tickets and all that. And I also go to the horse race and all that. There I was putting all the money there. So many other places I was just giving all that money. And there are many people who go on funding even the terrorist activities. But when we say some noble cause is there, ideal person is there, or institution is there, I remember once of our Jnana Yajnas when we used to conduct, some organizer told me they went to a rich man for some donation. Rich man said, what? Do you to say I should sell myself and give you money? What kind of attitude? What is this statement? Such people are also there. It's a prachuratar dhanam naiva dattam. See, actually noble people, noble, what you call the projects, noble institutions, you should give plenty. Or whatever you have, from that you should give. I say, I did not give. I read about a rich man. The youth of the town went to him. Sir, we are going to build a swimming pool here for. We need some contribution from you. You are so miser, that man. And then he said, of course I will give. So they were so surprised that he said he will give. He called his servant, Ramu, give them a bucket of water. Because for swimming pool you will need water. What kind of these people are there? Bhagavan, I did not meditate on you. All right, at least you should have given whatever you had. Naiva dattam. I never gave any charity, donation, dhanam, nothing. Then there are so many wonderful rituals are also pointed out in the Vedas, where Agni Devata is kindled, Agni Devata. And then in that Agni Devata, the offering, the oblations are offered in that, It's different ways, Some with the Rudra Suktam they will do, or only some Bija mantras, those who know the seed mantras, everybody may not know. Or Om Namah Shivaya, only with that also. Different ways are there in the rituals. We say, Havyam te laksha sankaihi hutavaha vadane na arpitam. Na arpitam means I never offered any oblation. Havyam is oblations. Where? Hutavaha vadane. Vadane means in the mouth of hutavaha, that is fire. Huta means whatever is offered, it carries. So it's interesting there. Agni is fire. And we say Agnaya Swaha. And we say Om Indraya Swaha Indraya Idan Namama. That means this offering is for the Lord Indra. So the flame goes up. Means that Agni Bhagavan immediately goes to Indra. This is for you. Like a courier service. Immediately, Huta Vaha, what a beautiful name for fire. Huta means offered, Vaha means carrying. So for which Devata, whichever Devata it is given, it goes only to that Devata. If you say Agnaye Swaha, Agnaye Idam, then Agni, oh, it is for me, I will take, thank you. But if you for someone else, then I have to give there. Om Prajapataye Swaha, Prajapataye Idam Namah. They make the offering hundreds, or the rules are there, or thousands, or lakhs. 100,000 is called 1 lakh. Say, however, the Laksha Sankhyahi. Like we say, flower worship is Ashtotar Shatarama, only 108, or Sahasranama. Sometimes they Laksharchanam they do. 100,000 pushpa. Or Ahutis. Say, Bhagavan, I did not do this also. Narpida Bija Mantraihi, which all the seed mantras which are there of Devatas, I did not meditate on you. All right. At least you should have given some dhanam. That also I did not. Some fire ritual. That also I did not do. Earlier the Shodashopachar Puja, that also I did not do. Oh. Achha. No taptam Ganga tire, and on the banks of Ganga ji, Ganga tire, na taptam. I did not do any kind of penance of any kind, because I was so indulgent only. The very name tapas frightens me. So I did not do any kind of tapas. Vrata, japa, niyamaihi. Taking some kind of vow, and that I did not do. Or japa, so much japa I will do. Generally what they say, no, as many numbers, letters are there in a mantra, so many lakhs or crore times you have to do this. Om Namah Shivaya Panchakshara. 5 crore times. अरे 5 crore तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा है, at least 5 lakhs. I did not do any. On Monday I will fast. I always remember when it came Tuesday. Arey, yesterday it was Monday. I see, we are just, this what to do. See, the vrata niyam is such that if I make a rule or such a vrata, every day I will do 10 rounds of the japamala of Om Namah Shivaya. But if one day I could not do, next day I must do twice. We say, what to do, I could not do, Doesn't matter. What doesn't matter? But when you give some money to somebody on interest, and if he doesn't pay, it doesn't matter. My interest is only in that interest. What are you talking? There you will go on compound interest. And I could not do one day, so what? Bhagavan is so nice, he will forgive. But Chitragupta goes on noting. He will note what you said. And you did not do it. No taptam Ganga tire, vrata japa niyamai. No niyama in my life. Rudra japair na vedaihi. I did not do any Rudra japa, like Rudra Suktam will be knowing here also. Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. Rudra Suktam, Purusha Suktam, Rudra Suktam, all that is there. With Veda mantras or the Vedic rituals, I did not worship you. Even the Purana Paddhati, I did not do. What Smriti said, that way also I did not do. Simple Shankaram Smarami, even that Shiva also I did not do that. Now, what kind of person I have been, you know? A person should feel that way, you know. Then only any kind of progress. If every time you justify, explain, give excuses, and they say, what can I do? That is all done now. That's not good. If all these things elaborate, everything also cannot do, but something definitely we can do. क्षन्तव्यो मे पराधः शिव 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 भोः Sri Mahadev Shambho. Now what we find here, that different types of seekers are there. Some people love to do puja, worship. Some people love to do japa. Some people love to do meditation. Some people like to do these ritualistic yajna yaga, these, you know, havan and all that they like. Only if they abhishek and all that is, you know, Maharudrabhishek you have done, you know, but you know, Havan you have not done, you know. Different people like different things. Now there are some people who are very fond of yoga mark. All right, you did not do this. Did you do some asana, pranayam? वो क्या होता है? What is that? So in the next shloka, this yoga marga is pointed out. That all right, you did not do all this. Did you do some yoga? See, what I am saying is not necessary that everyone has to do everything, but at least some kind of vrata should be there, no? Some kind of. So next shloka is about the yoga marga. He said, I did not do this of asana, pranayam and that yoga also I did not do. That we'll see in next shloka. That is tomorrow we'll see that. Om Namah Shivaya. 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 उमापति महादेव की जय. श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम.